Sir, very happy evening to all. Sir, this is a weekly review video for the CA Inter students, those who are going to write in Jan 25 exams. Sir, last week I have uploaded a 7-week schedule for you. In that, 1 by 7 we have achieved. You have to say that whether it is by way of time or by way of completion. ரெண்டு விதம் இருக்கு சார். சார் 1 வீக் முடிஞ்சிச்சு நான் எதுவுமே ஃபாலோ பண்ணல அப்படின்னா, இல்லை 1 வீக் முடிஞ்சிச்சு கூடயே நான் 1 வீக்கோட ஷெட்யூலும் நான் ஃபாலோ பண்ணிட்டேன். சார், if you are going to write G1 in this Jan 2025, if you have already completed slot number 1, week number 1 schedule, this is slot number 2 schedule from advanced accounting. Very important chapter this week, amalgamation of companies. Amalgamation of companies, prepare very well because that will come for sir 14 mark in examination. Sure shot, one big question. Daily do amalgamation of companies, daily do at least 2 questions, then itself 7 into 2, 14 question you can masterize. And from AS perspective, AS2, very easy standard. Generally people will do that last கடைசியா பார்த்துக்கலாம் AS2 அப்படின்னு சொல்லி படிக்கவே மாட்டாங்க. But that will come for 5 to 7 mark in examination. In the last attempt, AS2 question has came for 7 mark. So don't leave that. AS10 is a very big standard actually with regard to biological asset, other than biological asset, all those. So if you are preparing, sir, take proper time and prepare. AS13 is an expected question. From this AS13, even my video is also available in the YouTube. Sir, from AS13, investment accounts, how to solve an investment accounts. Sir, when you are preparing week number 2 advanced accounting, try to do at least 5 questions. That is daily 1 question from schedule 3 as a cumulative revision. As a cumulative revision. For example, Monday, do 1 schedule 3 question. Tuesday, 1 schedule 3 question. And revise AS1, AS17 and AS18. No need to redo it, but revise it. Give 20-30 minutes of time and revise it. So, by the week this end, sir, my dear lovable students, this much good topics will be done in advanced accounting. And number 2, with regard to law, you would have completed declaration and payment of dividend and general clause act. Slot number 2, this week, you have to focus on accounts of company, very important topic, and FEMA, very, very important topic, my dear lovable students. Sir, with regard to law, we have introduced one workbook which is available in our Telegram channel. If you want, you can go through that and prepare along with those questions. Declaration and payment of dividend, general clause act. You have to keep on revising that part. This is what you are supposed to complete in this week. With regard to our paper tax, week number 1, in DT you should have completed salary and house property. And in IDT, supply you should have completed. From the supply chapter, I have uploaded, sir, GST works out, that is supply workout in the YouTube, which is basically all the ICI illustration. Number 2, RTP, MTP question of supply, and also the past examination relevant questions from supply, which come to just 1 hour of time. If you want, you can go through that. That will be very useful for you. And if you need, in the coming week, I'll be uploading the exemption part. With regard to DT, complete profits and gains of business or profession. Do all the illustration, my dear lovable students. Do all the book back. And from IDT, very important slot, exemption. Very, very important part for examination because this is 5 to 7 mark. And also this is having huge implication here and there. Computation of GST payable and all, they will be testing exemption. Nearly a 10 mark area out of 50 mark exemption, a very big topic. This is what you are supposed to complete in tax with regard to this week, my dear lovable students. Sir, in the last week, many students have asked me, sir, I have given a beautiful weekly timetable, that was 7 weeks timetable. I just want to know how my time has to be, sir, allocated. Sir, if you are studying self-study, or if you are going to write in G1, already you have completed classes, or already you have written, or already you have completed G1 and now you are going through G2 classes at A&M classes or at any place, whatever it may be. Sir, generally 7 to 9 prepare law morning time. 7 to 9 prepare law. This is my recommendations. Then slot number 2, 10 to 1 prepare DT, direct tax. That is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday I'm saying. Sunday you can take one session break, afternoon you can take break, relax yourself, sleep. Then slot number 3, my dear lovable students, 2 to 5 you are mandatory supposed to do advanced accounting, because that is the time you are going to write exam. So when you sit and practice advanced accounting in 2 to 5, that will be great. And slot number 4, sir, like after 1.5 hours break, basically 6 to 8, if you complete IDT, then that will be right. Then slot number 5, this is slot number 1. Then slot number 5, sir, like 9 to 10 o'clock, the last, sir, before you close your studies, law, again you revise once again. So law, DT, advanced accounting, IDT and again law. 7 to 9 prepare the law. How you have to prepare? I have already given one weekly timetable. That chapter you prepare very well, and evening time, whatever you studied in the last week, that portions you cumulatively revise. So this 1 hour, you keep time for revision, my dear lovable students. So the next week, 2 weeks, you will be revising. So you'll be feeling so much comfortable. And during this time, this week schedule you study. If you want, you can use the workbook for law. We have introduced the workbook that is available in our Telegram. Or you can download it from our website. From the free resources, it is available. If you go to law, that free resources, it is available. From DT, now you have to do ICI study material, illustrations and also book back. And advanced accounting, ICI study material, sir, illustrations, book back. And if you are having RTP, MTP past examination sources, with regard to IDT also, we have introduced workbook with A&M approach. All the, sir, ICI study material questions are there under A category. RTP, MTP are there under, sir, N category. And, sir, past examination question under M category. So, my dear lovable students, if you are following this very properly, by this weekend, you can feel a very good completion of 20-30% of the syllabus. Sir, எந்த பிளானுமே இல்லாம, எந்த தாட்டுமே இல்லாம, டைமை சாவடிச்சுட்டு, கடைசியில ஜனவரி மந்த்ல வந்து ஒரு 10 days 15 days உஷாரா படிச்சதுனால எல்லாம் பாஸ் பண்ண முடியாது. CA is very simple, provided if you are disciplined. அது டிசிப்ளின்டா நீங்க பண்ணி முடிச்சீங்கன்னா அழகா ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணுங்க. 7 weeksல 1/7. You know, already last week itself I have uploaded the same timetable. Why I am again re-recording this? By spending my time just to start the second week and just to say that 1 week has gone. So if you are following this timetable, sir, put your comments, update your comments. If I am this much committed to you, sir, if I am doing this much to you, you just update your comments by way of, sir, I have completed this one. If you have not started, already week gone, no problem. This week, extra work and try to complete week 1 and week 2. Still that is possible. Still that is possible. Because if பெரிய டாபிக்கல் அல்ல, இப்ப நினைச்சா கூட 2 வாரத்தோடது நீங்க அழகா கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணலாம். If that is the case, my dear lovable students, otherwise இந்த வாரம் போச்சுன்னா அப்புறம் 3 weeksோட இது கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ண வேண்டியதா இருக்கும். That is not practically possible. That again ஒரு டைட். So plan yourself, properly execute, my dear lovable students. If you are able to complete this timetable on a weekly basis without pressure, and generally this timetable will be over by 22nd of December. So இங்கே டிசம்பர்ல ஒரு 7 days 1 week இருக்கு, ஜனவரியில ஒரு 10 days இருக்கு. அது கரெக்ட் RTP, MTP, இன்னொரு வாட்டி ரிவிஷன், ஸோ மாக் டெஸ்ட் எழுதி பார்க்கறது, இதுக்கெல்லாம் வச்சுட்டோம்னா கண்டிப்பா நம்ம ஜனவரியில் கிளியர் பண்ணிடலாம். Without doubt we can clear, my dear lovable students. Every week from my side, as a token of remembering or recalling, reminding, I will come in online and I will say that, sir, you have to do this. Very properly studied, structure study. Sir, this is not a luck game. This is a proper execution game. You are studying very very superbly, provided sir பாருங்க காலையிலே ஒரு 2 hours ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்றீங்க, DT daily ஒரு approxa 2.5 hours 3 hoursல, and advanced accounting 3 hours. That time is very important, sit and write. That's why I gave advanced accounting. And IDT ஒரு 2 hours ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்றீங்க, law again ஒரு 1 hour. That means 4.5 sir ஒரு 3, 7.5 sir 8.5, nearly 9 to 10 hours effectively ஒரு நாள் நீங்க ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணாலே next 2 months the things are very much achievable. I hope that this seems useful for you. If that is the case, comment, inform your sir requirement. Whatever I can do from this side, I will try to do. And from my side for this week, I have uploaded the supply video, supply workouts video. You can see it 1 hour only there. That supply entire things will get sir consolidated. So I will upload the next week, next Sunday, which is to review the second week portions and to say this is what you are supposed to study the third week. Have a sir proper execution, enjoy very well, study very well. This time are very very important for your exam. Sit and study, write and study. We'll meet at the appropriate time. Till that, thank you, bye bye from ANM.